Right, so today we bring to you our company, Contal Materials, the elements in our construction. I am Matt Chen, Marketing Executive. Sat right beside me is Mr. Kelvin Young, the Managing Director of the Hong Kong departments. So, who do we serve? We bring to you architects, engineers, designers, bringing remarkable, affordable and sustainable solutions in cladding and internal exterior materials. One world, starting off for over 17 years, Contal, China. Our manufacturer has been producing aluminium composite panels. For this long, we are confident with this kind of experience, we have been producing results and projects further, expanding our project range and moving now our headquarters in Hong Kong, China. Now bringing these materials further into the southeastern areas of Asia, especially developing countries. These countries include Yangon, Myanmar, Bangkok, Thailand, Osaka, Japan, and it's not limited to the side of Asia, yet further in Australia, Sydney, and Brisbane. Quite uniquely, we have moved our products and also our sectors into Gaborone, Botswana. Now we believe Africa has many potentials for development, especially Botswana. Now, we're not limited to just developing countries, also countries that are more developed. These countries include Doha, Qatar, in the United Arab Emirates. Also in Western countries, quite a latest addition, Manchester and London, United Kingdom. So together with developing countries and also countries that are quite strong already, with these countries, we do show that it does not matter. We are all diverse and it does not matter who or where you come from. The material can be suited right for you. So, our vision. With so many companies, who to choose? Everyone has visions. Well, uniquely what our vision is, what is our agenda? Our agenda is to bring revolutionary cladding solutions to all countries, whether you be developing or you be already a fundamental increment in the construction industry. Next, the importance of bringing prosperity to developing countries, because developing countries is crucial for their construction to get a foothold in order for their nation to develop. We wish to bring to them luxurious items and materials, whether for interiors and for exteriors, to also boost their image and power, and yet we do this at a lower price. Next, our promise to bring outstanding results. We are confident because for over 17 years we've produced these kind of results and we will continue to do so. Lastly, our influence. Education to us is crucial for many different factors, because the future is with education. With countries developing, it is important that the next generation realizes the potential in materials and technology for cladding solutions, in which the architecture is constantly moving. It is important to educate the next generation to use materials that is sustainable, yet affordable, and of course remarkable, which would then be the future of our world that we need. So what have we done? Contal Materials branches out from a company very reputable in Hong Kong, Lau Cheng Lei. It is one of the leading companies that produces manhole covers utilizing steel. These projects also include architectural services department to highways departments, basically encompassing most of Hong Kong. With this kind of confidence, our project experience, even our materials from our first batch 20 years ago are still left standing today. We are confident our quality and production rate will continue to persist. The consistency we will ensure throughout all our materials. This is our promise. So what do we offer? Our aluminium composite panels are aesthetically beautiful, with many different designs, patterns and colours, with different materials also. They're clean and long-lasting due to the nature of aluminium. The composition itself is already waterproof. The nature of this material allows for different designs to be utilised, as the material can be bent and also designs can be produced from this malleable material. The material sheets also come in 1.220 meters times 2.440 meters, which is a large sheet and a commercial size which can be used on large-scale projects for fast and economic solutions. Next, because we are based in Hong Kong, because in Southeast Asia and many countries alike have tropical conditions. These conditions include humidity. Humidity also includes moisture, and moisture is water. Water is the #1 enemy for architecture. This, in itself, the material combats these natures and different conditions in climates. Because of the nature of the actual economic developments in construction, concrete, these two are highly linked, and many buildings right now, and has been in the past, been made of concrete, and I believe also in the future too, which is why now is the opportunity to use materials which can clad concrete. Together with cladding and a strong structure, there is undoubtedly good results for long-lasting architectures for our future. Bespoke systems, because every single building and architecture is unique, just as you and I. These different buildings have different possibilities, which is important for us to use a material which is very malleable and can be unique in every different way each time. Material procurement and fabrication. These sheets can be produced at a high rate. High quantity to you fast. This is important because time is of essence, and we believe these materials can actually produce results where we all can be satisfied and further. This, today, is the future for architecture. Together, we'll design and create new possibilities for architecture together. Be creative. This is your job as a designer and also our job as a manufacturer as we source the latest technologies and solutions. Here's our spectrum of colours. Just a few in this brochure. If you're interested, please contact us. We'll send one right to you. Aluminium, as commercial as it is, we also offer to you a variety of different colours, textures and materials. So what does this encompass? The colours itself range from the economic, moving on to metallic. Metallic resembling the materials painted on your car, on your Mercedes or BMW. Next, we have pearlescent colours. Pearlescent colours are two-tone colours merged together to give a very unique effect. Next, stainless steel as a composite panel. Not highly used because it is quite valuable as a precious metal, but yet it gives a very sharp and distinct effect. Next, titanium zinc, one of our latest in technology for external materials, giving a very sharp edged look, and it is not commonly used, but right now it is a new material that can be utilized for your project. Lastly, copper. As time goes on, copper ages. The aging effect of copper gives a very unique look unlike anything that is available on the market. Copper is also graded based on the climate, usage, and also of course how you design it. With all this opportunity, with all these options, if this is not enough, give us the specific color. We can also produce this for you. So why not? Let's see what we can do together with the opportunities to be creative today. Application. Our composite materials can be used in many different ways, as the nature of this material is very malleable. So, here's just a list for you. With this list, it ranges from cutting, routing, punching, bonding, bending, roll bending, routing, folding, riveting and screwing. Of course, it's not limited to just that list. The list goes on. You can even use your own handsaw if you wish, and if you're confident enough, be my guest. Right now, we are working with a partner. This partner specializes in high technology, in hole punching and cutting, as well as using laser cutting. PCB, headquarters in Bangkok, and also international. If you wish to have high-end quality, which is unbeatable, we have our sources provided to you. So, what is the benefits of using composite materials? Well, firstly, aluminium, stainless steel, titanium, copper, they are all highly recyclable. Next, the lightweight nature of this material. Thirdly, it is highly versatile due to the nature of the material. It's bendable and can be used for many different shapes. Fourthly, the quality and durability. The nature of combining plastics, high-grade PVC, and also utilizing materials with a cover of laminate. These three together with also high-end technology and manufacturing processes which allow it to be also alien-like in its nature to combat any climate. Fifthly, it is waterproof. Waterproof with a full stop. Aluminium is waterproof due to the nature of its composition. 6. The long-lasting color, which we have prided ourselves based on Becker's. We can give to you a 10-year warranty. We are that confident the color will last. And also lastly, not to forget, the maintenance of this material. Well, the material itself is smooth. It is not porous. The material only requires cleaning as often as you wish, but we recommend once every 2 years for the best and long-lasting effects. How it's made. A quick run-through the procedure which the materials undergo. The manufacturing process. Moving on, quality control and packaging. Thirdly, freight shipping. Fourth, down to you, the installation. Well, that's just quite a quick summary, but I'm sure the details can be filled in if you so wish. Please contact us if you wish to know more. As mentioned before, we're not limited to just external materials. We pride ourselves on bringing new solutions in cladding. In this case, internally for interiors and bringing luxurious effects. This is our level wall system. The level wall system utilizes high-end PVC materials with a unique print which makes it look distinct and just like leather, but of course with all the benefits of using PVC and its waterproof effects. Not to mention, it has fire-rated specs which also gives us the benefit of safety. So why not use something that is physically, aesthetically beautiful, and of course that is long-lasting and durable. The price itself, we can assure you, it is something we can all be pleased with. So why not try this material today and see what is possible? You have the imagination. We have the tools. Here are just a few samples of our project experience. These range from luxury hotels down to your bedroom. We produce luxury with simplicity. The material itself comes in different sizes as tiles. The tiles can then be stuck directly onto your wall, including plasterboard. Wall surfaces include paint and not limited to brick or concrete. Using the right kind of glue, we are sure this material will last on your wall, so long as you don't damage it. Apart from this material can be used on virtually any interior scope that you so wish to use it on. So I must ask again, why not try it today? With the revolution of simplicity in luxurious materials which is affordable to everyone, remarkable. We have now moved our products into aluminium, which is highly utilized, even for the easiest of installation. So what does this include? The material can be used also for interiors. This material is unique. So what is it? Aluminium mosaic, codenamed Alu Mosaic. Contal series offers some of the most dazzling of designs and textures for everyone's taste. Our designs are almost limitless for any design that will suit you, your projects and your clients. Try us, surprise yourself, explore. Let's start today. In the industry of lighting, we have brought new panels. Of course, you know as well as we do, lighting, interior materials. So what do we have for you today? How do you then combine lighting, beautiful panels? We have invented the latest translucent stone. Translucent stone is semi-permeable. It is half transparent, which gives the effect of seeing the striations in the marble and at the same time to illuminate the space. This material brings new possibilities to interiors to give a luxurious feel to any space. We are confident that this material used right, it will bring a new dimension to your space. UV panel. What is a UV panel? A calcium silicate board, ultra thin, as much as 10 millimeters thickness. A super dense material which has the strength and also density of plasterboard, but yet thinner. On the outside, it also has a layer of laminate lacquer which produces many different unique textures that we print out and use laser UV protection on top. By coating the surface with these textures, all textures are luxurious and resemble natural stone. Easy, quick installation for luxurious effects. I believe this is what we all want. Right now, this is our product range. It's quite vast, yet we continue to bring out the most latest constantly by researching and bringing new technologies to you. This is our job. This is what we pride ourselves on. So lastly, the ordering procedures. If you really are interested, let's get in touch together. Let's make it happen. So I'm pretty sure the ordering procedure between every transaction is pretty much the same. But if you're not sure, let's run through this so we're all on the same page. Firstly, let us know which product that is that you want. Secondly, you receive the shipping rate, the actual cost, and everything else that comes with the material itself. Thirdly, you forward your deposit to us via LC payment or direct payments. Fourth, once we confirm it, we are then ready to produce the material in production, through to packaging, through to shipping. Confirmation is important. Through every stage, it is important that we confirm to you the procedure, the quality and the quantity to ensure that nothing goes wrong through this transaction. Next, the retrieval of the goods by you. It is important that when you receive the material to confirm that it is received and in the right quality and quantity. Lastly, once it is confirmed, if there is any uncleared payments, please finalize it. Once that is done, give us a good rating. Let us know how we can serve you better the next time. Thank you.